When you open the Descript app, either on Windows or Mac, you'll notice that there is a new version of Descript built for the web. Try it out, open in the web. Now, this is Descript for the web, and what this means is that you can now collaborate on even work with people who don't have Windows or Mac computers, that is people who use Chromebooks or even Linux. Now, this is really game-changing, and I'll just click on open in the web. It's still in beta because the URL that takes you to that particular Descript for web is the beta-web.descript.com, and you'll see all your projects and you'll be able to edit your projects like you do in the app. So if I just double click on this particular project, it's going to open up the same way. So this version of Descript beta has new features that prevent projects from opening in unbeta Descript. To collaborate with non-beta users, switch out of beta before editing. Now, all this is going to be done real soon, and it's going to be fully functional. The good thing with this is that Descript tends to update the program over and over again. You'll never notice if you need to make any update to this. So it's beta, it's preparing media for editing on the web. This may take a few minutes. Those are some of the few downsides, but once everything is stabilized, this is going to probably be the best experience and collaboration with maybe an editor that you have, or maybe a freelancer that you've hired. They don't need to have a MacBook or Windows machine to edit your work. They can be using a Chromebook and still make the edits. They can be on Linux and still do the editing for you. Or you can also do it on Chromebook or Linux. Now everybody is incorporated and also includes kinda collaborations with everyone. So it's just to put this out there that Descript for web is coming. It should be out. That is a stable version this month, and we are in June. It should be out this month. So just to let you know, Descript for web, try it out, see if it works out as it is. The one thing that I do know that it doesn't work is recording. If I click on this, it's going to give me this: we do not support web recording yet. Descript for web does not yet support recording. To record video or audio, please use our app. So that's where it is. That's the only thing I do believe it doesn't do for now. And also I've noticed it's either not yet done downloading my media, because this particular file should look something like this. I should be in the background, but with the web is still there. So still in beta. Test it out with the next few coming weeks. By the end of this month, I'm sure we'll have a web version that is no longer in beta, but a fully functional version. That's it for this video. Descript for web is coming. Be on the lookout. Thanks for watching.